In this video, I'm going to show you how to create these digital moderation templates. Keep watching to see more. Open Keynote and select the white presentation. Set your dimensions to 1280 by 720. Insert your planner and delete the white slide. If you would like to see how we created this particular planner page, check out one of our other videos on digital planner designs. I'll leave the details in the description box below. Go to the shape icon and select the square shape, and stretch it over the page. Change the color and repeat this process, and change the color to white. Add in some text for the title, and insert another square shape to create the grid. Then go back to the shape icon and select the line tool to create lines for the grid. Now follow the video to see how to finish the grid, and then add in your assessment objectives. Once the grid is complete, go to a new planner slide to create your moderation samples. Insert 2 square images onto the page and add in your titles. This space is where you will insert written work samples which match the assessment standards. I've inserted some labels to help with the moderation process. I'll do a separate video showing how to create these along with how we use them. To use this document, you will need to upload it into the Goodnotes or Notability app. You could use this document as a reference guide during moderation meetings along with samples from your class or from the government website to support the expectation of each standard. Teachers could also record their students' writing assessments and take pictures of their work using the iPad camera. These can be easily inserted straight into your students' assessment records. When recording your students' work, they should meet all the statements within the standard at which they are judged. All writing samples must be produced independently, and you can also use class test results to support statements. These moderation labels were created in Procreate and are perfect to use when moderating a piece of writing. It can help you to become more efficient when marking and assessing work, so that you can see at a glance if the student meets the required standard or which area requires more evidence. I hope you found this video useful, and you were able to take away some tips or ideas when it comes to moderating your students' work. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Diamond Education Hub presents Online Learning.